All right, Chris.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions. This is Dave. Now, I wanted to shoot this video because we get a lot of people that have trucks with caps on the back. And the arms, the lifts that go in here, you can't really shut this cap. The other thing is there's some other lifts that you could, they're very expensive. This is an affordable solution to pick up something like the Revo, the EX, nothing really too heavy. I think the weight capacity is 250 pounds, but great solution for him. Dave, I'm gonna help you, but show me how you do this on a daily basis, or how do you like it so far?
Okay. I love it. It really keeps me from having to expend energy, and with COPD and a heart problem, that's a difficulty for me. So this makes it possible, and I don't have to disassemble anything other than take the seat off. I try to find myself a piece of level ground first, okay? And of course, this top goes up, and I can even light it at night, all right?
Cool.
So they installed this pendulum so that I could have ease of pulling this off and on. This unhooks. I swing this to the side, set this back down, and the back end comes off, or the tailgate comes down.
It's locked.
Oh, let me take care of that.
You do have to remove the seat. The reason for it is because the top, that's what we're trying to do, is cover this up for him. So you will have to remove the seat in order to do this. If you didn't have that cap, there's a different lift you can go with, or we can keep the seat on. But where do you put this over here, Dave?
On the left-hand side.
Left hand.
And then I'm going to hook that up very easily, put some tension on it, and I want to release the brake so that the wheels move freely. Okay? And of course turn it off.
Yep. Do you lower that tiller?
I'm going to lower the tiller here in a minute.
Okay, I'm letting him do this. I do want to note, and he pointed out to us, we put this bracket on, these batteries don't come out really easily. Now, he ran into an issue when he was at the Ford Museum
in Detroit.
He needed to take the batteries out, couldn't do it, but we talked about it's not a very occurrence thing he'll be doing. He'll just carry a little something to loosen this to turn it.
And it just wheels.
Watch him wheel it. Flat surface, and why he's doing that, so you don't have to push up a hill.
Exactly. And I just set it down, and it wheels very easily into a position. Okay, if I had the...
We probably, wouldn't we want to unhook that first?
Yes, you're right.
We'll back it up, so...
Whoops, down. Okay,
so
there we go.
Instead of reaching like that, once you get it up here, guys, just go ahead and unhook that. He put it in freewheel so he could push it in, and then he can lock it. And then you just do this. And you know, you can use this for SUVs and different things too. Sometimes the way you got to set it up depends on how you're going to use it, so you don't have to plug the controller up and different things. Very easy install. The other cool part about it, he can leave this on this unit for when he takes it out. He's going to latch it right into here. But let's say that he wanted to take this off the back of his car. You could take this whole motor off and this whole pull off and stick this in the back of your vehicle. But if you don't want to take this apart a bunch, you just do it just like this. It's perfect. It's all you need. It's a very affordable lift, very easy lift to use. You need to be able to stand for a little bit of time. You can see it took a little bit of time to do this. But besides that, Dave, you bought this from us, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you've been very...
You got it installed in one day. I didn't have any other problems with it at all.
And you've been happy with everything?
Exactly.
Okay. I appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And I come back for service. They got me right in, took care of it.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And if you have any questions, just give us a call at 803-926-2224. Visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com. And that's the AL065, I believe. I'll check that and have them edit it for you.